Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this olive green smoky eye. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload a new video. And let's get started on the tutorial. I almost just started recording the video without sound. That would have been so I want to try the James Charles Morphe palette. It's not hard to open. This excites me. I can see a lot of things happening with this, so let's get into it. Get it together. My goodness. Let's take this yellow. Put it up here. Okay, so now let's take this green shade. Just gonna start it out here. So I haven't re-dipped the brush in the shadow. That's how I like to do shadow. Like I don't like to pack on too much product. I just like using a little bit at a time till like I'm really happy with how it looks, and then I'll go ahead and deepen it. So I want to take this brown shade. It looks a little warmer on my monitor than it does in person. It looks a little bit more olivey brown here. Okay, so I didn't really have too much fallout. I'm not completely done with the eyes, but this is when I like to do my under eye concealer. At the moment, I'm just gonna be using Studio Fix powder in NC30. This does get a little heavy on me later in the day. I notice like it just sits a little heavy on my under eye. But it's just what I like right now. Well, that makes a lot of sense. I've been dying to use this Maybelline Lasting Drama matte pencil in Jade Olive. Ever since I saw the color, I was like, I like it, like retro-ish vibes. I'm gonna put it in the waterline. So this comes off dark, but it's still, it's just a little bit softer than black. I normally, honestly in the waterline, I don't really use black anymore. I use normally a brown or like even a dark purple. If you have brown eyes and you use this green, it'll probably contrast really nicely, make the color of your eyes pop. Let's go ahead and line the top lids. I gotta go tend to my chihuahua. I'll be right back. As you can see, I struggle with putting on pencil liner. And I just feel like my eyes look so closed and small when I don't do a wing. Let's take this gold shadow right here, and I'm just gonna put this right here in the middle of the lid. Just to add a little dimension to it. I want to smoke out that liner, but with a darker green. I'm actually going to go into my Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions And I'm gonna take this color called Space Queen. It looks a lot lighter on the monitor. It's like a very, very dark sea green. And I'm just gonna go over this pencil liner. I kind of made like a little eyeshadow wing. Okay, I think I also want to take this color Sour Diesel and just go over it because I want to just cut a little bit of the coolness. Okay, I'm gonna dust over that with Sour Diesel. Let's do the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna take that same color Sour Diesel, and I'm using the same brush. Do I want to use this brush? Yeah. This brush is very dense, so I think it might, I want a kind of a more diffused line. So I'm gonna take a similar shaped brush, but this one is a little bit more fluffy. I'm gonna look up and just blend this lower line. Let's add a inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take this Ofra highlight, all of the lights. I'm gonna take this part because it looks like the lightest gold one. And I'm gonna add it to the tear duct area and be pretty generous with it. While we're at it, I'm gonna take some of this. Put it right here as if I didn't have enough. The tip of my nose. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the warmer one right here. And then while we're at it, I'll put some right here. Do you see hear how like resistant I sound to that? Honestly, because I have a lot of texture on my skin, and I don't know what was happening today, if you guys can see, but my skin is like a little bit irritated. When I put on my foundation, it started stinging. Not a good sign. Because I have a lot of texture, like I can't really wear a ton right there. It looks good in pictures and stuff, but in person, it looks a little. Anyways, so let's put some highlight right here. Okay, so I'm going to take these Batty Bee lashes in the shade, the style Saucy. Okay, let's use this color called Sueño de Coco. This is from I Love Saraí Color Pop Through My Eyes collection. All right, you guys, so that was the whole tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. You just stay like this. Is this a, can I speak to your manager here, dude? What the fuck are you talking about? I don't know, I can't tell. Do I keep straight? Look at it, it's little. Just saying. It literally just forms whatever I want to do. Ow. Que bueno.